Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki teaches a powerful lesson about the way we think about money. Kiyosaki contrasts the mindset of his two father figures. His biological father, the poor dad, who believed in formal education and working for a steady paycheck, and his friend's father, the rich dad, who understood the importance of financial education, investing, and making money work for you. The key message is that building wealth is not about how much you earn, but about acquiring assets, things that generate income, while minimizing liabilities that drain your money. He emphasizes learning how money works, taking calculated risks, and developing multiple income streams instead of trading time for money. By focusing on financial literacy, overcoming fear, and investing wisely, anyone can move from relying on a job to achieving financial independence and creating lasting wealth.